How to cash out on crypto.com. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Visnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can cash out on crypto.com. Now the process itself is relatively easy and simple, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you want to do is at the homepage you'll find the crypto.com logo at the bottom of the screen. You want to tap on it. Once you tap on it, you'll get this list of options. You want to select the option fiat wallet. Once there, you'll be able to see your balance on your wallet, and there you'll find buy, sell and transfer option. You want to simply tap on the transfer option there, and then you want to enter in the amount that you want to transfer, and then you want to enter in your details, your bank details or your card details that you wish to cash out on, and simply tap on withdraw and you'll be able to withdraw it. So this way you can easily withdraw, or this way you can easily cash out. You'll be able to easily cash out here on crypto.com. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.